Now, Wendy, just some incredible images over there.
I know.
Insane.
And we're going to continue to see them as well. And so what we're going to do, first of all, is we're going to be talking about our weather and let you know what's coming up. We've got those chances of rain, of course, are very good for the rest of this evening. And then we've got some drier conditions. They're going to start to come into our forecast during the middle part of this upcoming week. So we do have a drying trend coming our way. And the tropics, they are busy again. So we're going to start with the tropics because that's what's got our attention right now. We have 6 tropical named storms and we have 5 hurricanes so far this hurricane season. And our latest one is Kirk. Just like Captain Kirk, this one is now a tropical storm as it just comes off the coast of Africa, and we are going to be continuing to watch this system over the next couple of days. It looks very quiet when you take a look at this map. It certainly is quiet here in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's also quiet here in the Caribbean. But as we move farther out into the Atlantic, we have 4 systems that we're now watching as it starts to get busy once again. We've got a tropical depression, we've got Tropical Storm Kirk, and we also have 2 other systems that are having chances of developing over the next couple of days, with a 40% chance of rain over the next 5 days and a 40% chance of development and a 70% chance of development as well over the North Atlantic. So these are the 2 systems that we're going to be concentrating on right now. Is the one called Kirk. It's going to continue to move off towards the west. Our enhanced satellite imagery showing this system coming off the coast of Africa with winds of 40 miles per hour and wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. It's moving towards the west-northwest at around 15 miles per hour right now, and it's going to continue to move in this direction for the next couple of days, where it is going to strengthen. And then what we're going to see is that as it gets closer to the Lesser Antilles, there's the chance that it's going to start to shred apart just a little bit, and those wind speeds are going to come down to about 45 miles per hour. But that's going to take several days. As you can see, by Thursday, we're going to see it very close to the Lesser Antilles before it actually moves into the Caribbean. And so this is something that we'll just continue to watch. And in the meantime, that low pressure system, which has the opportunity, it's an area of low pressure, a low pressure system that's out in the Atlantic. This one has a 40% chance of development. It too is going to run into some wind shear. The chances are great that it could be affecting the southeastern part of the country once again. And so this is something we're going to continue to watch with these tracks moving it, as you can see, into areas that do not need any more rain. And we have been getting our afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Most of the thunderstorms have pretty much come to an end, although we still have a stray 1 or 2 of them out there. And around the Fort Myers area, they are getting those thunderstorms. And all of this movement is towards the northwest. So we could continue to see some showers developing up until about 11 o'clock tonight. Just be aware of that. If you're heading outdoors, you want to make sure that you take an umbrella with you, because we have some places reporting heavier showers right around Sarasota. We've got more moderate rains to heavy rains, and then lighter showers that are taking place in other parts of our viewing area. It's all affecting the coast right now with the sea breeze and those easterly winds converging right along the coastline, helping to develop these thunderstorms and showers that are now taking place. And temperatures are in the 80s and 90s right now. And for the most part, you can tell where the rains have been heaviest. That's been in Venice and Northport and Boca, Arcadia, Sebring, and Lake Placid, all reporting temperatures in the 70s right now, and low 80s also indicative of some stronger showers that have come on through, with temperatures elsewhere at the beach mostly in the upper 80s. And of course, over the next couple of days, we are going to continue to see wet weather for the next couple of days, with a 50 to 60% chance of rain in our forecast, especially for the remainder of this weekend, and temperature highs right around that 90-degree mark before we start to see the drier air coming in on Wednesday.